Subsea Solutions was founded in 1990 based on two core precepts: safety-driven, adding value to our customers. Today's oil and gas industry prioritizes safety over everything else, and Subsea Solutions is no different. In fact, we have taken upon ourselves the responsibility to demonstrate that being safe makes perfect business sense. Our company provides third-party auditing, maintenance, and testing services for well control equipment on both drilling and intervention operations. We are BOP experts. We perform rig inspections for both land and offshore applications, and we provide the most unique and effective well control equipment training considered by many to be the best in the industry. Our services are delivered through our signature and continuously improved processes and procedures. We make sure that the equipment our customers are about to use is functional and follows all industry standards. And the expected result is no other than safe, smooth, and efficient operations. Our services are delivered by the best surveyors, technicians, and instructors available in the market. We handpick them so we can make sure they are capable to deliver on our premise of adding value to our customers' operation. And that can only happen when the right person with the right training, attitude, and experience is selected to do the job.
Building a relationship with our client is extremely important to us. We want to build that trust and confidence. Our processes are proven. If the client winds up having an unplanned stack pull, we feel like we failed. And that's important in this nature of the business. When a client calls us on the holidays or on the weekend and they need a surveyor or a tech, we'll be there to answer the phone. We help them with their submittals for their APD, whether it's maintenance procedures or testing procedures. We want our clients to be confident they're getting the best quality and experience in the industry.
Subsea Solutions is one of the premier leaders in providing third-party subsea well control training to the oil and gas industry. The primary target focus groups that we provide our training to are rig contractors, operators, and rig regulators. Subsea Solutions has invested heavily in creating real-world 3D simulations, 3D models, and also identifying case studies and root cause analysis to be able to bring these to the classroom where we can digest this for in-class learning. The takeaways that our customers can expect is a proper solid knowledge base of the equipment and how it works. They can expect a solid and a proper integrated knowledge base of how the equipments fit in the larger, bigger picture of a system scope. And if done properly, what you'll find, it promotes confidence and a consensus approach to maximizing safety and optimizing performance on the vessel while executing the well-planned activities. At the end of the day, the goals and the takeaways finally for each group will be intelligent, effective communications, 2, accuracy and precision in the communications, and this will invariably lead to the correct response, which benefits us all.
Subsea Solutions has performed over 2,500 well control audits and verifications in 6 different continents. That is a statement of our commitment to a global presence. We have saved our customers millions of dollars of non-productive time and potential catastrophic failures. With headquarters in Houston and offices in Rio de Janeiro and Aberdeen, our people and our work cover the world.